Jones Truth 67 presents The Greenhouse Journey. My problem: my backyard has 3 large trees that shade most of the yard, and the only spot that is not covered only gets limited sun. My first task was to figure out the best spot with the longest exposure to the sun. The best way to answer this was to do a time-lapse video of my backyard and watch where the sun shines the longest during the day. I had a camcorder, so I just went to the University of YouTube to learn how to do a time-lapse. Here's part of the clip. You can see the shadows going. The way the shadows move looks kind of creepy, don't it? And after 40 days of rain, just kidding, but it did rain a lot. Time to build. Here you see the weed barrier, and I had already assembled the basic wood frame. I used rebar stakes 2 feet long and 3/4 inch PVC pipe, 10-foot lengths. So I needed 14 10-foot lengths. We made adjustments as we went along, got the connectors and everything. I'm adding more weed cover. I thought I needed a larger area so I can put my grow bags on the outside. I am 80% done, and this is where it stands today. But I can still put a lot of my things in there, so I've started putting some things in there. I'm waiting for hand crates because the side plastic is going to be roll up. So for ventilation, you see the window there. I still need to trim some things up. But it is warm inside, and I'm still excited about dropping more seeds. So many of them died in the house. I know my husband is glad to get all the seed trays out of the house, but he's a sweetheart. He never complained. Right now, I'm still looking for the pallets to make the tables to go on the inside for the work I plan to do. But in the meantime, I have this one little table, so it's going to have to do. I'm very proud of the work that I did. She may not be pretty, but it's mine. And I think I'm going to name her. How about the Plant Truth? What do you think? Like and subscribe.